not only but also. Right? Use of not only but also. Use of not only. Then three dots we should give the use of term. None is done na yesterday. Okay. None. Oh. Use of not only but also. So here I want to give a sentence. He is a poet. Okay. And singer. He is a poet and a singer. Tell the answer. Is it not only she is a poet but also she is a singer? Okay, not only he is a poet but also he is a singer. Correct? 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 Wrong. Correct or wrong? Wrong or correct? Entirely wrong. Why? Don't start like this. Where to start like this? He is what? Not only a poet but also a singer. Very nice. Now if I keep it here, if I tell you to start this sentence with not only, then is there no option to start with not only? If you start with not only, then you should write like that. Not only easy is not easy. Do you know this rule? Kindly know it. Not only is he a poet, but also a singer. Underline this. But if you start with not only, immediately you place helping verb. Okay? Then subject. Not only plus helping verb plus subject. Clear? There is no such hard deal in learning this. What did I say? Stand up. Stand up. Good. Not only easy. That means what we are using? First time using not only, then helping verb, then the subject. But if you write not only, he actually we know like this only, is it? We know this is the way, but this is not the way. Last bench, kindly pay attention here on the board. Here, if anyone is not, feel free to remain in the class. Ground is there. Okay. Next, wheel mark. So that is about not only. Next rule. So no sooner as soon as done. No sooner and as soon as it is done. None it is done. This is point number 6. We're done converting into interrogative. Okay? This one you keep it in mind. Don't try it at beginning. This is the last option left. When you have nothing in our hands, that time you try this. Think one sentence is given. this wall is yellow. Can I make negative of this one without general intelligence?
Is this wall not yellow?
Almost impossible to make negative of this one. Can I write? This is not anything else but yellow. The honey it sounds. We cannot write like that. So in that case, what should we do? It is written this wall is yellow. Is it? Bring is here. Is
This wall is not yellow.
wall till now it is affirmative. Then what to do? Is not this wall negative. But keep it in mind, this is the cheapest option available. Cheapest option. Try to avoid this. Now, it is written C is tall. Kindly don't write is not C tall. Because other options are available, no? When other options are available, kindly don't go for this method. Clear? When you have no option left, done. Point number 6. Shall I go to 7? Converting into other classes are taken light camera. Only language is only taking. Converting into what? Asserting. Converting into. Why is the sound cannot hear? Speak in such way that the people should say class 9 is answering. Okay. And be silent in such ways that people should say that class 9 is sleeping. Okay. Converting into asserting. Can I bear it any longer? Question mark. Quite clear. I can bear it. What? What it should be? Can I interrogative? Make it assertive. What it should be? I can or can? I cannot bear it any longer. Done? Shall I go to 7? Many more are there like this. You have to practice, otherwise it will not get installed in our head. And what will need train and mapping for that one? Both train and mapping and this Joseph, both. First will go from this book, then will go to train and mapping. You are understanding what I am speaking, boy? Okay, good. Sixth language. Number 7 now. Right? How can it be? Go. Write down the rule. Use of if and unless. A sentence is given using if and that the sentence is positive, then you can make this one negative by using unless. Opposite also occurs. If a sentence is given using unless and the sentence is negative, you can make it positive by using if. Just like two examples I am going to give you. Is if you come, comma, I will go. Instead of writing shall, I am writing will. If you come, I will go. Tell. Instead of if, what should I write? Unless you come, then I will go or I will not go? I will not go. So first one is affirmative, second one is negative, is it? I have written it short, not right like that. Your time is limited. And syllabus is unlimited. Rahul. Next. Shall I move to the next one? Write down. Unless you give me ₹5, I don't write that. So you know. Unless you help me, I would fail. Affirmative or negative? Affirmative. Unless you help me, I would fail. Affirmative. Make it negative. Cannot make negative of this one. If you did not help me, I will fail. Over. If you did not help me, what type of mask is that one? Huh? The mask for your beard. Next. None now? So you can convert this one using both affirmative and negative. Okay? By doing what? By using if and unless. Actually, unless means if not. Unless means if not. Okay? So these are the exercises. These are the basic rules. Thank you.